Having a lot of trouble with our mill today. The blade keeps slipping off.
In this very short episode, you will see that often things just don't go our way. The day started very promising. We were finally moving on to our first pine. We were done with the solar kiln. They were just finishing touches, and it was time to take a few pine down. We were supposed to parallel path. I was supposed to mill some of these new logs, and the kiln had some finishing touches, but we had grand plans to get enough boards to fill the kiln, and we knew we'd be gone for a couple of weeks, so we were really pushing to get it done so it could stay there and dry for a couple of weeks. The first part went well. The trees fell the right way, the logs were nice, they were long, they were solid. But then the trouble started. But we didn't know that yet, so we were full of optimism.
Well, the day has come. Today we're starting to mill our pine for floor planks. We'll see if practicing on the hemlocks I've learned anything. Will all this pine turn into firewood, or will they become floor planks? Stay tuned and find out.
Things started going wrong pretty quickly. The blade would slip off after one or two passes. It would just slip off, and obviously when it slips off it gets broken and bent and it needs to be replaced.
We're having a lot of trouble with our mill today. The blade keeps slipping off. We're not sure why. We've never had any problem with the hemlocks. So this is our third or fourth third blade, and constantly readjusting it. We haven't even milled a single log, and it's been an hour.
The tracking a little after the last one slipped off. So.
Okay, see what happens.
I was barely able to do a couple of logs. You can still see the promising floor planks, and it started raining pretty hard. Some of us really enjoyed the rain.
Progress over here.
I think we're gonna be short.
A little bit. We should be short just a little bit.
We were actually just fine insulation, but it started raining and I couldn't film anymore. I was really protecting the cameras. But we knew we needed to finish as much as we could, so we kept working in the rain, installing the solar-powered fan that would circulate the air in the solar kiln, and we loaded with what we could, which was not as much as we were hoping for. But luck just wasn't on our side today. Let's see if it turns around in the next episode. Subscribe and come back.